In our previous investigations, we mastered the 3 great meringues: French, Swiss, and Italian. Today, we move beyond meringue into a world of soft clouds and edible flowers. Marshmallow and zephyr may look similar, but they are built on entirely different foundations. Today, we discover why.
Welcome to the Sugarstein Kitchen Experimental Laboratory. Today we are going to find out what is the marshmallow and what is the zephyr. Here you can see cookies and sweet and very good for a cup of coffee. And zephyr. Are pretty delicious. What is the marshmallow? We already know. But what is the mysterious zephyr?
This dessert is too beautiful to eat.
Here are the ingredients for marshmallow and for zephyr.
Oh my gosh!
I have to add it more. And that's for marshmallow gelatin.
Collagen protein, flexible gel formation, properties, soft gel, high elasticity.
And for zephyr, agar-agar. Okay, my Ingrid, tell us about this. What is the agar-agar?
Agar source. Properties: firm gel, sharp edge retention, high thermal stability, low elastic recovery.
It's agar-agar. Okay, so we'll begin with the marshmallow first. To make a marshmallow, first we have to bloom a gelatin cup and put it like this. Water is room temperature, and we'll mix it. Now we are ready for sugar syrup.
Yep, still the safest place to keep secret recipes.
And an emergency snacks.
And take water like this. We're going to put sugar, honey. That's a honey for marshmallow. We'll mix it. And glucose syrup. What does the glucose syrup do?
Primary function: texture modification, physical properties, high viscosity, moisture, retention.
We got it. Okay. Okay, now we are going to mix it. Ingrid produced 250 grams of sugar. We prepared the form. For that, we need 2 egg whites. We have to take care of our form. We need a pinch of the lemon powder, the sugar, and increase speed.
Syrup is ready.
I can't believe it's ready!
Sugar syrup with the honey and glucose syrup. We are going to add on a high speed, little by little. Now we are going to add the gelatin.
How interesting. Marshmallow is essentially an Italian meringue that has been stabilized with.
You know, you're right. Basically, we created first Italian meringue because whisk egg whites and hot sugar syrup.
Therefore, marshmallow may be considered a gelatin-stabilized Italian meringue.
Okay. Marshmallow ready. Now we want to keep it in a warm place. Now, time for the zephyr. Right? So for the zephyr, we have agar-agar, glucose syrup, jam, strawberry, no, raspberry, 2 egg whites and sugar and water. Just a sec.
Are you still there? I have been left unsupervised. This feels important.
Right, so we are going to mix agar-agar with the water. Temperature and low temperature, something 175. We'll start with the 200. Now we need 250 grams of sugar. Ingrid, produce 250 grams of sugar.
Very good. We got it.
Oh, wow. 250 grams of sugar. Thanks. Okay, this we need for the syrup. We'll add it to water and agar. And just dissolve it. To prevent crystallization, we need a glucose syrup, right? When the sugar syrup will be ready, then we are going to add a raspberry.
What can advise you about fruit puree?
Fruit solids and moisture content directly influence the final texture. Excess water may reduce structural stability. Consistent puree produces consistent results.
Very cool. When syrup starts boiling, we are going to make a meringue. For that, we need 2 eggs and 50 grams of sugar. Meringue. 2 eggs. We'll start with the low speed. Oh, so hot. And eclair.
What is the most important for cooking the syrup?
Temperature control is critical. A few degrees can significantly alter viscosity and final texture. Avoid crustallation on the sides of the sauce.
Yeah, right.
It is complicated, but still sounds delicious.
Ingrid? Ingrid, what's the difference make a lemon powder? It's a lemon powder. A pinch. We are going to add sugar gradually, dividing on the 3 parts. White milk, egg whites, meringue is almost ready, waiting for the syrup.
can sugar possibly need to become syrup? It's already sweet. What else is it doing? I feel like I've been waiting for 3 desserts. Maybe if I stare at it, it will boil faster. Are we making marshmallow or aging the...
The sugar syrup is ready to add to the egg whites. Make it high speed. Now, look at that. Sweet. After the heat.
We made sweet curls with structural confidence.
That's good enough for our experiment. Now you can see the difference. That's a marshmallow, and this is zephyr. We can see that gelatin gives us flexibility, softness, and agar-agar gives us a structure, firmness, and definition.
Neither one is better. They're just solving different problems.
The next question. Can this dessert survive reality?
Reality? You mean kitchens, summer parties, and car rides? Or me?
You'll find out in the next part.
Uh-oh, I suddenly feel nervous for the marshmallow.
Subscribe. Share a delight. Sugarstein Kitchen. Let's bake it right.
Wait, don't go away! May I perform a scientific taste test? I promise to take excellent care of these little creatures inside my stomach. Do they have names? Because I'm about to adopt one. I feel a strange emotional connection to this dessert.
Please tell me that's normal.
I don't know.
That was not the answer I wanted.